The obvious order blocks are not good.
Yeah, not good. Okay, not good. Okay, see, even today, where did this move come into? Where did this move come into? Into the rejection block.
Yes.
See that? Into the rejection block. Like, yeah, I had a very clean entry on gold that dropped almost 200 pips today. See, look at that. Okay, because I told you a higher time frame order block, a higher time frame rejection block is a lower time frame order block, right? What did we have on the 4 hour? An unmitigated wick, the base of the wick. See that?
Yes,
the base of the wick is unmitigated. And if you go into a lower time frame on the H1, this is an order block. See that? This right here is an order block. Okay, the last push up before the push down. And we have all this trend line liquidity being fed into that level.
Yes.
Can you see that? Tap right into that. Tap right into that and look at the sell. Okay, how many pips is this now?
Oh, yeah.
190 pips. 190 pips. Okay, and look how quick the move is. Look how quick the move is, like melted. Like melted. Look at that. No drawdown, basically.
Oh,
okay,
yes.
just started melting. Okay, just started melting. So liquidity and all of this. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. So yeah, that is how we can use maybe a rejection block and everything. Okay, so can you understand that? I hope it's clear.
So here the liquidity was the little wick, the this little one? Equal height. Yes.
This right here. This is actually the most important type of liquidity. This is an Asian high.
This is
okay. Let's talk about
Asian range.
Yeah. Okay. Let's talk about Asia now.
Yes.
Okay, because Asia is very important, and you're from Paris, right? So you can easily trade London. Okay.
Yes, I do London and even New York.
Yeah, but focus on one single setup. Okay, one consistent setup. Okay, because just one setup a day, that's more than enough for you. Okay, that is more than enough. So yeah, I'll show you a very consistent setup that plays out during London. Okay, almost 90% of the time. Okay, almost 90% of the time. Okay, so I'll show you. Now, Asia is actually the most important session of all. Okay, Asia is actually the most important session of all, because most people will focus on London and New York, but no, Asia is very important. But like, even though it's important, we're not going to trade it. Okay, we're not going to trade it. Like, Asia is like the guide to an intraday trader. Okay, Asia is the guide to an intraday trader. Now, you'd have seen that Asia does not move a lot, right? Asia will just mess around. Okay, Asia, yeah. Okay, Asia will just mess around. So something like this is what happens. Okay, so remember, Asia ends at the New York midnight time. Okay, Asia ends at the New York midnight time, because why? It's an algorithm that runs the market. Okay, it's an algorithm that runs the market. So that algorithm basically resets at New York midnight time. Okay, that is when the algorithm resets. Okay, so Asia ends at that time, because after that time, new liquidity, new traps and everything will start building up. Okay, will start to build up. Okay, so that is what would happen. Okay, give me a second. I think gold started melting. Let me take some partials quickly.
Let's go.
Give me 1 second. I'm taking
partials. No problem, man.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's shooting down. Perfect.
You trade only gold and GU?
Yeah, I trade only gold and GU. Okay, because just 1 or 2 pairs are more than enough. Okay, that's more than enough, because you don't have to take out every one of these pairs in here and then just mess up your mind. No. Okay, just 1 or 2 pairs is more than enough. See?
It distracts.
250 pips. 250 pips. Look at the move. It's crazy.
Oh, yes, nice. You caught this one?
Yeah, I caught the sell from here.
Oh, nice.
Like, I even had the buy from here. I'll show you. Okay.
Oh, nice.
A buy and then the sell. So for the buy, the target was this, and the sell, the main target was down here. So yeah, major partials taken now. Okay, I'll show you where the buy came from. It was